Hey, what's going on, folks? Spencer here, and today we are doing some HTML coding. And if you don't know what HTML coding is, it's basically creating a website. So yeah, basically to create a website, you have to have a basic knowledge in Java coding, and you need a software that can hold HTML code, such as Dreamweaver, Notepad, Aloha Editor, Flash Developer, Coffee Cup HTML editor. Like, there's dozens. Anyway, so in this new series I'm going to be starting, that's what we're going to be doing. And yeah, you can't see my whole screen here, as you can see. I got notes over here, so yeah, plus some other secret stuff. Anyway, let's get started. So what you're gonna want to do, start off, create a folder. Let's call it website. Open it up. Gonna right click. This is where we're gonna keep everything. Gonna call this. What should we call our website? We'll just call it website for now. Sorry, there we go. Now you're gonna open that up. Let's just go like that. So, to create a website, you need to have, pretty much, it's pretty simple actually. You just gotta tell it what you want it to do. To start off, most of the stuff inside these two tags right here are gonna be capitalized, so pretty much always keep caps lock on. So you're gonna put exclamation point, doc type, HTML, then HTML, head, a closing head, and a closing HTML. The closing sign is just a slash in front of the original, so yeah. So there are a few things we're going to cover in this episode, but this is just basically a setup and showing you guys what we're going to be doing. So, in the HTML, between these two HTML folders right here, that's where you're going to have all your code. Everything goes in between these two. Anything outside of them does not get counted as code except for the doc type. The reason you have the doc type there is for when you get a poster or something like that, so that it can be registered with a domain name. Other than that, yeah. So in your head, this is where we're gonna put most of our code. Let's do title first. So you're gonna, in these two, you're gonna write title, an opening and a closing. Let's call it our website. And I'll go on to what a title is later on. But for now, all you guys do is that. And this is just put your name of your website here. And that should do it. So, yeah. Underneath that, here's one trick. H1. And a closing H1. Notice they're on the same line. I do that to keep track. Welcome to our website. So this is going to be displayed in large font. You could also have H2, H3, H4. But yeah, generally you want to stick with H1. It's the biggest and it's great for headers. There are a few other codes you guys may want to use. I'm just going to show you. You got like your basic HR, basic BR. It doesn't have to all be. It doesn't have to be capitalized. I just find it makes your code neater. So, so yeah, your HR. This puts a line across your page. A straight line, so it goes like. Whoa, that's cool. I didn't know I could do that. Sorry, I'm getting distracted here. So it puts like a straight line across your page, and the break is like a break. So it's pretty much like hitting the enter bar over and over again. So, yeah. So to save this file, this is basically a website right here. You have now created a website, and I'm not just telling you that because you know it's true. Okay. So what we're gonna do? We're gonna go to Save As, and it's usually people are gonna tell you name your site something .html. That's wrong. You don't want to do that. If you get a hoster or you do anything like that, it's way simpler to call it index.html. The index, that means it's your main page, and that is where your code is going to go to when you open it up with a domain. So the .html is also wrong. For most computers, and including Macs, you're gonna want to save it as .htm. However, with my computer forever, that doesn't work. I have to save it as in HTML. So after you save that, we're gonna go straight to our folder. Notice we have another file here. I'm just gonna open up this. So here we go. Add. Let me log out of there. So I'm gonna double click that. Okay. There we go. Now that's closed. Gonna just open. Oh, there we go. See? Welcome to your website. Welcome to Hey. Okay, so welcome to your website. Here's the line across the page, like I was saying. And also up here, you may notice. Okay. Well, up here it says our website. That's your title. It goes in the tab. So anyway, that's how we're gonna set up our website, and we are gonna add so many more things to this when we get around to it. What do you guys want to see for this? I'm probably gonna actually use the website for some, but I want you guys to tell me what you want to see. That would be greatly appreciated. And yeah, see you in the next episode of HTML coding. See ya.